Good evening, all participants. Thank you very much on the board of leaders. Okay, sir, right now I can calculate here, sir, break-even point. This is my 1100 units. This is my income statement, right? 99 is the price per unit. Total is revenue is, right? This is my total variable cost. This is my total fixed cost, right? This is my total expense, right? So this my revenue minus expenses, that is called my operating income. Okay, sir, I would like to calculate here's the break-even point. Break-even point means you have no profit, no loss. Otherwise, you can use the one formula if the finance guy, that the formula is fixed cost divided by contribution margin. What is the formula is there? That is your total fixed cost is this, right? Then divided by, then I can put here, sir, the selling price, right? Units sold. So this is my unit sold price minus, right, minus 40 per variable cost. So that is your shows like this. Then I can choose, right, before this parenthesis there, because first D is subtracted, then can use this. So this is your total units comes, right? So that is your fixed cost divided by contribution margins, 99 minus, right? Sorry, 99 minus this, right? Or unit sold, this is the price, unit price. Enter, to that is your total 106.95. Okay, sir. The other you don't know the finance guy, then you can how to calculate this no profit no loss. Then you can go to data tab. You see, sir, the forecast group. This is the what if analysis goal sheet. So what is the shortcut key also? If my cursor is here, right? Alt A W G, Alt A W C G, right? Then come back the same windows. So what is the objective? You can here set value. You have put a 0 because this set value should have a formula. Because I'm already write a formula here, revenue minus expenses, that is your operating income. You want to put 0, sir, 0 here, and by changing sal, what do you want to put? See the value sales side. How many units sold, then no profit, no loss. Otherwise, you can check also, right, how many units sold at which prices. At which prices, then no profit, no loss. Then I click OK, that is your no profit, no loss. Another way you can check here, right? There are different things are there that you can link here, sir. The total revenue, this C6, total expenses C13, this is my operating income C14. I have units sold are different units sold are here, right? If you put here, sir, 1800 units, 2000 units, 3500 units, 3800 units, 4500, then 4800 units sold. Then how much total income and expenses and operating income. So I can choose options from here, right? Then I go to, sir, what if analysis, then go to data table. But here, right, don't time changes in the there. I put here, right, values are there. So then I go to column input cell. I just click on one variable change on the different units. Then I want to see the how much total revenue, how much total expenses, how much total operating income. Then I click OK, sir, to that is calculated here. So this is the way you can do right now. Okay, thank you. Another way, sir, I have calculated here, right? If I calculate here, this is my operating income, no profit, no loss. Sometimes you want to get the target profit, you want to calculate here how much units sold. Yeah, how much in which prices you sold. So then you earning 15,000 profit. Then you press here, sir, Alt A W G, that you can check here the target profit 25,000. By you changing sales, the productions are sales not bigger. I want to check the price, at which price you can sell the units, then you can earn profit. That is your 25,000. Then click OK. Then you can check, you can sold units on 1016 at the price of 124. Then companies earn the profit is 25,000. But right now can check that if you 25,000 profit is there only then when you sold the units on 1016 at the date of 124. But here if you would like to check, right, the different units and different prices. maybe 145, maybe 188, maybe 118, maybe you can check 125, and if you want to see check there, right, different units, then I can select up this one. Then Alt A W T is the shortcut key for data table. So what is the shortcut key is there? Alt A W T. I can write here also, sir, Alt A W T. So this is my shortcut key right here, and select this one only. Then I go to data, then I go to what if analysis, data table. So right now I have two things are changes, price and also units. So I go back my income statement here. This is my row input cell price, column input cell units. Then I click OK. You can check here, right, to look how much profit you have. Alt OCA is the shortcut key is there. Then I go to the cell styles, Alt J, 0, right. So that shows your profit. If you sold units at the price of 125, then you earn profit there, right? So that's the way you can calculate here this items. Also same things are there, right? If you want to see here, right? If you want to see, if I put 000 here, so I want to calculate a formula, right? This is my invoice amount. I'm offering this, I issue the different invoices of the my customer, and this is the total invoice amount. But my customer is giving one check 1558. So I want to see which invoices you want to add. Then total is 1558. Then I go to Solver, right? So how to can add Solver? You know, sir, developer already learn how can create a developer. I'm again repeat, right click here, customize the ribbon, right. Then I can go right here, developer is there, right. You can check only, click OK. Then I can click on developer. You see Excel add-ins. I can create here Solver. Then click OK. Then OK. So my Solver is coming on the data tab, Solver. So right now I would like to create here, sir. My value is check amount. This cell should be have a formula, and though the value is 558. Which cell I want to change here, right? I want to put here 1, right? Either put 1, this multiply this 1, and total is come. So this constraint is there, right? I want to put constraint. How can put constraint is there? I click on add. Where I put constraint is there. I just select this cells and go to this cell should be changed in binary calculations. Binary means 0, 1. And click OK. Then I can go to Solver. So right now that just calculate my which invoices are matching. They give the results. Then I click OK. So that shows that if this 135 multiply 1, then you can 135 1 and 518 multiply 1. Total check amount and your invoice, this invoice, this invoice, this invoice, when you add up, then total is there, right? So this invoice and rest of all invoices are pending 125, 175. So this is the one things you are doing here, right? Okay, sir. Another example I am giving how to create the functions of the fuel, right? So I'm write a formula is there. How can create a functions? I just telling you, right? Code macro. I put here the fuel, right? Fuel allowance. I just click OK and stop recording here. Right, I go to macros. You see added. So I can put the same coding which I'm writing here, right? You can check this my coding is there. Before I'm create a fuel allowance on the fuel. So therefore I put the function, right? I just change here, right? For example, I just change here function. I just click here, right? I just delete this one. I'm writing one coding here, right? This my coding is there. I just select from here, right? I just select this one all together. Control C. I Control V, I'm right option program, but here right my fuel allowance, right? I can select this one, Control C. Otherwise you can select here, right? Control C and select here, Control H, right? You can put here Control V. You put here, firstly put here fuel. Change your fuel allowance, right? Right, replace. It's okay, right? Then cancel. Now my function is coming. Then I can choose, right? You can always type in capital letters. Then I can save it. So I put here fuel allowance, fuel underscore allowance. I select here Excel add-ins, then save it. I come back here, then I put here equal fuel allowance. Give the reference of this cell to pick, right? Let me check what is the problem is there. Functions. Yes. What the functions? Function is okay, right? But I don't define here variable, right? A. That's it. Right. Save it. And Excel add-ins and fuel allowance, right? Yes. I click here, right? Values come, right? So that's a way you can create functions. So thank you very much for watching my video, and end of session. If you have any questions, you have my mobile number, you can contact anytime. Thank you very much for watching my video.